5 eyeshadow looks using the Jefree Star palette. I really like this palette. It has a lot of different colors in it. Also, stay tuned at the end of the video because I will be showing you guys my giveaway winners. And don't worry if you didn't win because I will be doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers. We almost there. Thank you for all the new subscribers and all the people that continue to support my channel. And just keep watching the video to see all these beautiful eyeshadow looks.
It's like it's never me versus you, it's more like me against the world. I'm universal picture and I'm giving you my pearls or jewels. And if I ever mess up, I'm a fool. Remember back in time I used to sit in class and drool.
video. My first giveaway winner is... Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting my channel from day one. I really hope you enjoyed the giveaway prize that I'm sending you. And yeah, thank you, girlie. My second giveaway winner goes to... Thank you so much, girlie. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for all the support. I'm gonna keep saying that over and over again because honestly, guys, it might not seem like a lot, but I'm just really thankful, even just for the little bit of subscribers that I have, and I can't wait to continue to grow on this channel. And last but not least, my third giveaway winner goes to... Okay, girlie, you looking cute, looking cute. Yes, keep staying fly. Anyway, discard what I just said. Anyway, but yeah, thank you for supporting me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy your giveaway prize. Deuces.
Saliva running faucet hard, dancing like the cha-cha slide, and you will always catch me by surprise. Our thoughts are all connected, see connection in our eyes. And I'm camping in the back of the room, don't like the groups, rather sit back and relax and catch you tying up your shoes. Like damn, I see you flexible, what a time to be alive. Are you who you say you are?